In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use summary formulas in Salesforce Reports. By the end, you'll build an opportunities report that groups by owner and calculates totals with a clean, percent-formatted summary formula. No spreadsheets required. Start by signing in to your Salesforce account. From the home page, open the app launcher in the upper left, search for Reports, and open it. Click New Report. In the Report Type selector, choose Opportunities so we can work with pipeline data. Then click Start Report to open the builder. If your org applies default filters, that's fine. Leave them as is for now while we set up the structure. To make the data meaningful, add a grouping. In the Outline panel, use Group Rows. Grouping rolls up individual rows into sections and lets Salesforce compute totals for each section and for the entire report. Search for and select Opportunity Owner. This organizes deals by the user who owns them, which is great for team-level roll-ups. You can also drag a field into group rows if you prefer. Make sure the amount field is included in your columns. If it isn't, search for amount and add it. Amount is the currency value we'll summarize. If your org uses multiple currencies, the report applies your report currency for consistency. Next, open column options for the amount column and choose Add Summary Formula. A summary formula is a calculated column that runs on your report results. Nothing changes on the underlying records, so you can compute totals, percentages, and other metrics across groups and the grand total right inside the report. When prompted for an aggregation, select Sum to Total Deal Values. Give the new column a clear, descriptive name and add a short description so teammates understand the calculation later. Set the formula output type to % if you want the result displayed as a percentage rather than a raw number. This is perfect for showing contribution to a total. You can adjust decimal places here to control formatting. Now add the formula itself. In the editor, search for the amount field, select it, and click Insert to place it into the formula. Use Validate to check for syntax issues before proceeding. This helps catch typos early. When it passes, click Apply to add the formula column to your report. Click Refresh to recalculate and preview your results with the latest data. When you're satisfied, choose Save and Run. Enter a concise report name that explains the grouping and formula so it's easy to find later, then click Save. That's it. You've built an opportunities report, grouped by owner, with a summary formula that rolls up amount and displays it exactly the way you need. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.